And sir is into ICAS from past 28 years. So 28 years is a very big time. We get tired of studying for 2 years. Amma, 2 years, madam, 2 years we have to study this small course. You people will be thinking, but sir is still learning and teaching all time, ever smiling without tiredness. And now I request Gopal Krishna sir to talk few words.
I appreciate the organizers for conducting this event, annual day event. I think this is second one which has been conducting.
Yes.
Sexually. I hope this will continue to be. I was telling all the chapters of Secunderabad chapter to have the mobile numbers of all the members who have been more than 2,500, so that at any given point of time we get 300 people, 10%, 10 to 12%. I think at least now our Ramchandra sir will take initiative with the help of his team who are active to get this, because they have more than 2,000 members on their list. And coming to the astrology, yes. As far as astrology is concerned, I have been, yes, associated with the ICAS, I do not know how, for the past 28 years. And that is different thing. As Mr. Jairam said, yes, prediction is different from learning. So that's what. One thing I have to tell about ICAS. We have today more than 55 chapters across the India. And in the recent Delhi conference, our president, honorable president, has set 75 years, because 75th year of our nation. So 75 chapters have to be done, and for which many of our vice presidents have been doing some initiation. Hopefully we may complete 75 chapters. As far as members are concerned, we have crossed more than 22,000 members, life members. And our student strength is more than 25,000. Because what happened in some places, in some years, we have not taken life membership, we have done only student membership and other things. That's the reason the gap was there. And now, of course, now life members only. And another thing I just want to tell you people is, yes, ICAS established with many of the stalwarts, including our Kapoorji, Suklaji, Anilji, and other people who have been doing tremendous work and introduced a structured syllabus which has supported many universities, including Potti Sriramulu University. In fact, our Kavita Lalita Manohar Garu, late Manohar Garu, and Dr. B.V. Raman were requested by our then Chief Minister Sri N.T. Ramarao Garu. Then in the meantime, there was a bill has gone to High Court about the course to be introduced in the Potti Sriramulu University. Then fortunately, Honorable High Court has given in favor of the people university, and that was introduced with the support of our Dr. Ramanji and also Lalita Manoharji and late Sri Sundaramji. This is what of things ICAS. And if you see the syllabus of the ICAS, it's a structured like any other subjects universities like. So what of course, many of the people are not students, many of our seniors only. I don't need to tell anything further. But the only thing is, if you have basics at your fingertips, definitely you can make good predictions, good analysis of the charts, rather than not knowing the. See, some of the people, yes, without, as Mr. Jairam or Mr. Ranyas was telling, without knowing astrology also can be predicted, 50-50, like that. But being ICAS members, yes, you should be thorough with the basics of the fundamentals of the astrology, then automatically, yes, things will go further. I once again thank the organizers, especially Vani, Srimati Vani and Suhikanti, who are active with the support of our senior Mr. Ramchandra Rao and other team members of all other chapters to have this event in spite of of course, whatever the situation we have today. With the short span of time, yes, there are more than 125 people are here before us. Thanks a lot for all the people. Thank you very much.
Now a small surprise for Gopal Krishna sir. And I would like to invite all the chapter chairpersons. Mr. Thakur ji, आप हैं क्या? Thakur ji, Subhash Pandey ji. Yeah, okay. Now all the chapter chairpersons for the service of Sri Gopala Krishna sir for 28 years. As I said, it is not at all a joke. So we all would like to honor the sir and Mrs. Gopala Krishna Garu. So along with Mrs. Gopal Krishna Garu, because it is not possible to do service like this for 28 years, so sir also needed help of Mrs. Gopal Krishna Garu. We thank you for you to be here, and now I request all the chapter chairpersons to be on the stage here. So Malhotra Garu, on behalf Vice Chapter Chairperson of HMV, and Praveen Kumar Garu for Secunderabad 4 is representing the chapter chairpersons, and we'll honor now Gopal Krishna sir.
సార్ కొద్దిగా కాన్సన్ట్రేషన్ బట్టి విన్నాను ఏం రాష్ట్రం నాకు కూడా తెలియదు ప్లీజ్ సరేనా సార్ గోపాలకృష్ణ సార్ మీరు విన్నారు కంపల్సరీ సార్ హియరింగా రైట్ ఓకే గోపాలకృష్ణ గారు who was and is a good teacher and who is committed to this valuable knowledge available to each individual in ICAS families in order to facilitate the uninterrupted evolution of his or her being so that one can manifest the core purpose of existence on the earth as well as make this ICAS more joyous and happier. Thank you very much, sir. You are the treasure of knowledge under the divine light of the Lord. May your wisdom amplify day in, day out to enlighten the world. Thank you very much, sir. Right. Next to Vani.
Yeah, a great teacher is one who knows their students, motivates them and helps them evolve. And you are definitely one of the greatest, sir. Thank you for your guidance and support you have given us. And you are the most positive person I know. You are a friend and a mentor as well. Thank you, sir.
Yeah, see, I think words are very less. Whatever we tell for sir, it won't fit into the vocabulary at all. But still, from our hearts, we are telling. He's totally at ease with everyone around. Profound knowledge on any subject which he chooses to discuss. Simple, down to earth, and easily approachable person. That's what I felt about him. And I mean, compared to everybody, a very little small span of time, I know him. He has set an example like how to conduct yourself both as a teacher and as a student. So thank you so much for your presence. Whenever we needed you, you were always there and you made a positive difference in our lives. Thank you so much, sir.
Good evening to all of you. Gopal Krishna sir, fondly known as GK sir. GK sir, you are a guiding force to so many, including me, in the journey of astrology. A true visionary in the ICAS family. It's a perfect and apt word for him because he's a true visionary in the ICAS family. His relentless, selfless service to the ICAS Secunderabad, in particular ICAS Secunderabad, is commendable. Blessed to be associated with him for the last so many years. May Lord Venkateshwara shower his blessings on him forever. Thank you.
Suryakanti garu.
These are words from Gachibowli chapter, all the students too. Gopal Krishna sir is a guru who has always strived and motivated us with his actions more than words. He lives and sets himself as an example rather than just preaching. Without his guidance and motivation, ICAS in Hyderabad would not have grown as this big a family. Thank you, sir, for being what you are and bringing us to where we are today. My heartfelt pranam to you, sir. All the 8 chapters of Secunderabad would like to felicitate him with a small